लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है।
In a world of superstars, there's a king, a man who built an empire not just on screen, but in the hearts of billions. His name is Shah Rukh Khan. But before the titles of Badshah and King Khan, before the awards and the global fame, before the ultimate honor from his nation, there was just a boy from Delhi with a dream. This is a story of how an outsider with a different kind of charm conquered an industry and became a legend. Born on 2nd November 1965, Shah Rukh Khan's early life wasn't a fairy tale. He was born to Mir Taj Mohammad Khan, a freedom fighter, and Latif Fatima. They lived a middle-class life in Delhi. In a way, his journey started with a foundation of loss. His father passed away from cancer when SRK was just 15.
When my father died, I remember he was getting well. Then I went to the hospital one night and he was dead and cold. His feet were very cold. So I touched his feet and he was very peaceful and dead and not look like the handsome Pathan he was. It's very thin. And I had never driven a car. I was 15 and I remember my mom and me sat in the car to get back home. Our driver, who had waited all night, couldn't wait any longer, had left the car abandoned in front of the main road. And I sat in the car and drove back. And I do remember my mother, when we reached home, she said, "Tumhane gaadi chalana kaise sikha?" And I said, "Kab sikha?" And I said, "Just now." And I was driving a car.
The loss of his mother from complications of diabetes 10 years later, in
So my mother
1991,
also expired
was a
10 years
devastating
later.
blow. He was an excellent student and athlete at St. Columba School, even winning the Sword of Honor. But his passion was theatre. His time at Delhi's Theatre Action Group under the mentorship of Barry John was where he honed his craft, long before the silver screen came calling. Unlike most actors who debuted as romantic heroes, Shah Rukh's first taste of fame was in villainous roles. He played an obsessive lover in Dar, a cunning killer in Bazigar, and a psychopath in Anjam. These roles cemented his status as a risk-taker and a performer with incredible range. He wasn't the conventional hero, he was the anti-hero you couldn't help but be captivated by. But it was his pivot to romance that truly changed the game. With Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge,
अभी तक तो कभी नहीं और आगे भी अगर होगा तो सिर्फ एक ही बार सीरियस होगा
कब?
जब किसी से प्यार हो जाएगा
he became Raj, the eternal lover. His dimpled smile, his signature pose, and a charming vulnerability made him the king of romance. He had found his genre, and the audience had found their new idol.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या समझोगे रमेश बाबू? वाह वाह, ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर। वाह, हर सुहागन के सर का ताज होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर।
SRK never stopped evolving. He gave us nuanced and powerful performances in films like Swades and Chak De, India, proving that his craft was deeper than just a romantic lead. His role in My Name is Khan earned him critical acclaim and demonstrated his global appeal. He is not just an actor, he is a global phenomenon, a public speaker, and a businessman. He has spoken at major global forums, received multiple honorary doctorates, and has been recognized for his philanthropy.
Whatever I've learned of life has been at the movies.
Behind the superstar persona is a man who is first and foremost a family man. He and Gauri have 3 children, Aryan, Suhana, and Abram. He has often spoken about his children being his greatest source of joy and his approach to fatherhood, which is to be a friend while guiding them toward their own paths. His son, Aryan, has chosen to work behind the camera as a filmmaker and writer. His daughter, Suhana, is following in his footsteps as an actor and is even set to co-star with him in a film. After a series of career setbacks and a 4-year hiatus, many wondered if the king's reign was over. But in 2023, he came back with a force unlike any other.
अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लो क्योंकि पठान आ गया है।
Pathan was not just a hit. It was a testament to his enduring star power. Followed by the record-breaking Jawan and Danki, Shah Rukh Khan proved that his connection with the audience is unbreakable. But the king's journey wasn't limited to the silver screen. In a historic moment for Indian cinema, Shah Rukh Khan made his debut at the Met Gala 2025, becoming the first Indian male actor to attend the prestigious event. Dressed in a stunning all-black ensemble by celebrated designer Sabyasachi, he perfectly embodied the theme. His look, featuring a floor-length coat and a unique tiger scepter, was a powerful blend of modern dandyism and Indian royalty. He wore a diamond-studded K necklace, a playful nod to his King Khan moniker, proving that even on a global stage, he stays true to who he is. And for his electrifying dual role in Jawan, the nation's highest honor was finally bestowed upon him.
Awarded to the actor for delivering a powerhouse performance, balancing raw intensity and emotional depth, and bringing to life a hero who fights not just enemies, but societal boundaries, creating two unforgettable cinema.
It was an achievement that many felt was long overdue, a crowning moment for a career built on risk, resilience, and unparalleled talent.
It's okay to be confused. Confusion is the root to all the clarity in the world. Don't worry about it too much. Don't ever take yourself seriously enough to be so clear about your own ideas that you stop respecting other people's. Our values are our values. They don't make us any better than anyone else. At best, they just make us different.
His story isn't just about fame and success, it's about resilience. It's a testament to the fact that talent, hard work, and a genuine connection with people can overcome any obstacle. He is the original outsider.
आप सब ने मुझे मेरी चाहत से मिला दिया. Thanks. Thanks very much. I feel like the king of the world.
From a Delhi boy with a broken heart to the global King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan's life is a masterclass in perseverance, reinvention, and the magic of following your heart. The National Award is not just a trophy, it's a validation of a legacy. What's your favorite SRK film? Let us know in the comments below.
आज इस बात का भी यकीन हो गया कि हमारी फिल्मों की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में भी एंड तक सब कुछ ठीक ही हो जाता है. हैप्पीज एंडिंग. और अगर ठीक ना हो तो वो दी एंड नहीं. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
So, what's your biggest takeaway from Shah Rukh Khan's incredible journey? What inspires you the most about his story? Let us know in the comments below. And if you loved learning about the King of Bollywood, make sure to show some love by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating biographies and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.